Hello, I am Imo with EjiTech. A few years ago, a manager of mine, just before he retired, gave me a desk plaque that read, "What is the best use of my time right now?" Now, for the longest time, I thought it just related to just work. But over time, I've realized that it means more than just what I do with my time during work. It's what I do at home, what I do at play, what I do at when I'm exercising. Basically, it's about how I get to live my best life by scheduling and planning my time appropriately. So maybe the first part of being mindful about our time and our time use is understanding what is important to us, figuring out what our priorities are so that we could align and schedule our time appropriately to meet those things that are important. So it's taking time out to spend time with friends, building relationships with friends and family, your loved ones, time for your work, time to exercise, time to rest, time to just sit and do nothing. I think again, it's just knowing all the things which are important to you so that you can allocate time wisely to get them done. Time is a finite resource. We only have 24 hours in a day, and we only have so many days in a lifetime. And the question as to what kind of life we live depends on how we schedule, prioritize, and plan our time over our lifetime. In essence, you could say our best life is built on how mindful we are with our time. Trust me, I know it is difficult, almost impossible to be mindful of your time 100% of the time. But could you imagine what kind of results you'll get if you are mindful of your time, say 50% or 60 or 70% more of what you're doing now? I believe being mindful of our time is how we achieve our greatest goals, our greatest accomplishments, and how we become our best self. Now the question is, how do we do that? I know for me, I found that creating checklists or creating a schedule or plan gives me something to work with. And also telling people about what I'm going to do makes me feel accountable. And so I get to do the things I say I'm going to do because of course I don't want to look bad. Now the question I have for you is, how do you plan your time? How do you get your things done? Now feel free to leave comments below so that other people could learn from that. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.